what a shocker of an evening, right? I mean, I had Crazy Rains. That was already shocking enough. I have so you can see this Jugaad, which is coming straight from a tethered phone into a laptop. But PUBG M ban. It is one of almost 118 apps that has been banned by the government, and this is primarily because of the tension and the provocation that's
Nobody
happening over
cares
there.
about those apps.
I mean, the rest of the apps nobody cares about. The main app is PUBG M, and why do people really care about this? Is because there's almost over 50 million players or registered players, and almost 13 million active players on a daily basis. And it's just like, I mean, it's taken the country by storm. We're gone from a point where it is ye PUBG wala hai kya to let's ban the app. And the IT ministry, again, the short statement is that they're engaged in a bunch of activities and they want to maintain the integrity and the defense of India. And it's basically to maintain this security of the Indian cyberspace. So this is just the 2-3 pointers it's giving. But let's deep dive into this. Let's pick apart how big of a sensation PUBG M has been, and let's just discuss about the sheer impact, because it is huge. It is not a topic that we cannot ignore at all. So,
Yep.
what are your thoughts on the ban and just news, man? It's shocking. It is insane.
I mean, we all know what happens when a game is gone, but a lot of careers were attached to it. They were
Yeah,
like
sports teams as well.
huge money is
Yeah,
at stake here. ये नहीं कि यार कि it's like thousands of rupees. It's lakhs, maybe
Mhm.
millions. I don't know
Yeah.
what exactly the figures are, but बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा, which we never saw. I mean, we are in PC, so we never know how much the money is actually. Esports scene, which was huge. The careers of and future and life of a lot of people.
A lot of people, yes.
Yep.
You guys know, I don't have to take names. It's like a man.
No,
Ab
because
kya kare?
even if we don't look at the top,
Yeah,
top
not
of the
just the
cake,
top
I'm
tier.
saying
Not just the top
rest,
tier, like
yeah, the rest of the cake, like the frosting is okay. That's our big guys that we talk about on a daily. They have options, but I know for a fact that this is from the ground level, which is a pastime,
Mhm.
to actually players that make money out of it.
Money out of it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Like it's given tier 2, tier 3 cities, and like players that have not had PCs and consoles, like an entertainment but also a career path, like you guys said. That's, I feel like, the biggest impact. It's still lower, and usually at the top with the frosting nothing happens, right? Nobody, it shakes them up but nothing really happens. The frosting's still tasty, but the rest of the cake, when it crumbles, is the real problem here. Because an example is my brother. He plays a lot of PUBG, and he
Mhm.
gets like an hour a day to like entertainment or whatever,
Mhm.
like the chill time, and he
Yeah.
spends 90% of that on PUBG. I mean, he was kind of losing his mind. I mean, yes, they were talking about like alternatives,
Yeah. I mean, the bright side is that
COD,
Mhm.
VPN, or whatever the hell, right? But what do you guys think about that? Like, because it's part of our culture, the way I see it. So what do you think that it's like? Do you think
It
it's a
was
necessity?
something
Do you
huge
think
that
it's
happened
okay,
in
or
gaming scene
yeah,
in India.
and
It
maybe
put
it bring India on a map as well
Yeah.
regarding
yeah,
Yep.
somewhere. And I think it's issue of defense, so like integrity of India. So I think there will be different games like we can carry over and move on. But yeah, PUBG was a huge part of our community. That's for sure.
Yep. And also a lot of people, they came to know कि हाँ gaming होता है
Huh.
through PUBG Mobile,
Yeah.
because people had access to phones. They did not care about smooth.
SK.
what happened? Did I just DC?
Yeah.
No. The audio wait repeat.
Okay.
So guys, SK is on his
Sorry, because
mobile
I'm on a
internet.
tethered like phone.
Yep.
Guys,
Mobile
I'm
internet where
literally on like the USB is what I'm streaming off, and it's my work laptop where I joined Discord and OBS Ninja. So I'm very sorry. And luckily the hammerheads came to the rescue. So the audio part, before I sounded like I was in a bathroom. But dude, I've personally never played the game. But what is the IT ministries like? Is there a form, like a bigger statement? Of
So,
course, I just covered
yeah,
like a snippet.
Yeah,
they
they have
have
issued
released a proper full statement. They have their own Twitter. GOI
they have their
underscore
official website as well.
Government blocks that
So
article.
you can head over.
Can I show it on stream? Government blocks
Yeah,
You
500.
can.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
yeah.
you
Yeah,
can show
but,
it on stream. In which it basically says that they blocked so and so apps under Section 69A of the
There are
Information
118 apps.
Technology Act.
Mhm.
Yeah. So and the section 69A of the IT Act basically says that when the central government or any of the officers think ki for the interest of sovereignty, integrity of India, defense of India, security of the state, etc., they can block certain
Access of
thing.
information. by
Yeah.
people.
So basically, they have blocked PUBG, which means they have banned PUBG.
Yeah. And like I said, what do you guys think? Is it a? Do you guys think it's a temporary? Do you think it'll come back? Because obviously there's no say on
I
where
have
this is
one
gonna go.
more thing.
Mhm.
In Section 69A
Mhm.
of the IT Act, it says ki those who fail to comply with the direction issued under the Act or the section shall be punished with an imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years
What?
and shall also be liable to fine.
Damn.
So
Okay.
you can
Yeah.
face imprisonment up to 7 years. That is
Bus.
normal imprisonment, not rigorous imprisonment. So
Yeah.
it's okay, but still, prison is prison. Come on.
Exactly. I don't think there's a
Like soft
bigger
jail, hard jail.
advance.
Huh.
I don't think there's levels there. It's not
And
RP. You can't
Plus
jump out.
fine.
Plus fine, yeah.
So मतलब तुम मोस्टली तुम्हें फाइन लगाएंगे, बट अगर किसी को टारगेट बैन किया
Mhm.
तो
किया.
So
7 साल के लिए
abhi app is still open, correct? Is there a time frame laga hai? Or it's
नहीं,
I think
downloadable
from
नहीं
the
होगा.
previous thing, Mobile Legends. I used to play Mobile Legends,
Mhm.
so it got banned in the
Okay.
first wave. Okay, so in that they said ki within 3 days we are given 3 days or 48 hours to comply with this decision. And after 48 hours, they brought a new update, and it said whenever you try to log in, it says this game is not available in your area.
So
In your
So-
region.
So people
on
who are
Play Store.
still playing us, it's still on. Basically, it's still on, right?
yeah,
now.
it's still on right now. You can-
But if you are downloading for like now, you won't be
Mhm.
able to क्योंकि Play Store में नहीं है. There is
So it's already
Game is
out of the
out.
store, but
yeah, it's
Yeah,
already
the
out.
people who have the app are still have access to it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now my question, so there's like a bunch of topics I still want to discuss about this, but I feel like the addiction, like I think you and me and all of us here can relate, the addiction really comes once you start investing in the game you play, correct?
Yep.
When you start spending real life bucks into virtual bucks, and it's happened to all
Hello
of us.
friends,
Just look at-
thumbs back. I'm sorry.
just
sorry,
look at Robo, for example. Every Valorant skin, like it's that's how I feel like addiction is. Step one is when you start spending real life into microtransactions. Now, I've seen some insane amount of like money or like figures that are in the internet, like 600 million, 1 billion microtransactions. These are real people, real money that's invested into this. Now, if the ban happens and there's no trading system whatsoever that exists, there's pretty much, I think, account trading at this point in time, which is
Yeah.
bannable or whatever, but I think that's the only real money. And then there's boosting service that people made. So the boosters are like, whatever, they're happy with that stuff. They've made their money. But it's again, I feel like this is one more topic because I know there's microtransactions, there's also this boosting. Because I've seen so many like random sites or Reddit posts were like $400 to Conqueror or something like that, right? $100 to Conqueror. Quick money that people make on the weekends. That's another source gone. Now, the other big topic is, dude, I've seen some of these UC openings. It is not, whether you're sponsored or you're not, or you're spending it out of your pocket or your parents' money
It is
or
not
whatever.
cheap.
Bro, it
It's
is
not cheap.
It is a lot of money that's gone into it. Possibly like 3 times a person's education money gone into goddamn skins. Now,
Yep.
what is where does that go? Like, what happens now? Does it like it's gone, right? If the app
like,
goes, it's poof.
Technically, it's
Yeah.
gone. Yeah,
So
it is
basically,
gone.
this is your money.
I can't see because I don't want to open more tabs.
Gone.
But
No, okay. So he basically
It's gone.
threw it in the trash.
dude,
It's gone.
that is because I feel like
Because
that
agreement
gonna
is
get
already
people.
done now. Whatever
Yeah.
transaction is done, that's done.
Yeah.
That's over.
People might try to find new ways to sell their accounts, account trading, but it's not safe, right? You can
But
get banned.
the app itself is gone. So
No.
I don't even think you or me, like
Yeah.
if we get a 10 lakh account for 1 lakh tomorrow, I don't think any of us will take it. I mean, it's a gamble. If you have a
No,
lot of money, makes
We,
sense.
we can sell it to people from other countries,
See,
I guess.
Mhm. I don't know that. Like, does anyone know that?
Same. No,
So
I-
my question is now, since I cannot download it from Play Store,
Mhm.
Yeah.
so I can go to a third party website and download it maybe.
Yeah,
with a
but when you
VPN?
try
Yeah.
to log
but-
in, it will show कि तुम्हारे area में available नहीं है.
नहीं
But
है.
you
What
have-
about if I use a
So,
VPN?
VPN,
No, but
yes.
still,
India's
Then
server.
you could-
No, I think.
तब तेको बाहर
But-
का server मिलेगा.
But you're doing illegally now after
7 साल
using
का
VPN.
prison.
Yeah.
7
Yeah,
year
Seven
it's
prison.
not legally
Okay.
anymore.
Up to.
Not legal
You can.
anymore. Mhm.
संजू बाबा बनने तो जेल जाने का है. येरोड़ा आने का है तेको पुणे आने का है.
Now, one
Yes.
of so this is one topic, right? So you guys saying basically it's gone. Anyone else have any points towards like the amount? Because the next topic is obviously sensitive, but I really think touch it. Anyone else have points
What
around
we are talking?
micro transactions
Who
and stuff?
joined? Who joined?
Daniel.
Oh, wait, was not that? Was that Raka?
Yeah. Hello.
Oh my God.
Wait,
Raka?
Raka, hello?
Hi.
अरे
Wait, why do you sound like your nephew?
Raka की असली voice.
अरे
Asli voice, guys. Mr. Marlega's real voice.
Mr. Marlega real voice.
guys, ये क्या हो गया?
Holy
ये
shit.
4G से 2G हो गया.
डैनी भाई.
अरे,
God.
मेरे को ये पूछना है
Mhm.
हाँ.
इम्यूलेटर का क्या होगा? इम्यूलेटर भी है क्या?
हाँ.
I can't take him seriously.
हाँ, but yeah, emulator का भी region इंडिया ही रहता है ना?
Yeah, what about the emulator? Does it go as well, or because it is technically
Technically, it is
PUBG.
gone. It is basically under
It is
PUBG,
gone.
right?
It's a
It is
ban
gone.
shot.
नहीं,
Dang.
अगर मैं इम्यूलेटर को यूरोप किसी और सर्वर में लगा के खेलूं तो
तो
Yeah,
तू
Server
तू
पे-
7 साल.
हाँ स्ट्रीम कर 7 साल के लिए तू
Raka, please
जेल
Raka.
से स्ट्रीम करेगा.
राका एक स्ट्रीम हो जाए फॉर
अरे.
ऑडियंस.
हाँ,
तू एमुलेटर खेल, मोबाइल खेल, कुछ भी
हाँ.
कर बट
कुछ
खेल.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Okay, so the next thing before we move on to before we change the topic is, there's a lot of people that are addicted to PUBG M, okay, and there's a lot of outrage. I mean, it's fair, but it's also like a little over the top. Before this, even on my mobile and looking at certain streams, bro, there's some harsh stuff. I mean, I get it, they're kids, but I feel like they're adding fuel to the fire because of stuff they're saying online. So what do you guys think about the outrage and the addiction? There's some people who are actually really addicted to this game, and they need like the daily dose. Otherwise, it's like they can't.
Like we
function
have
right.
to, yeah. It's like
Yeah,
a
like,
like cup of
It's
tea.
a big thing. Yeah, it's a big thing, dude. This
It's like
is-
cup of tea.
there's-
You have to have it.
There's the
Have to have it.
reports. There's
बहुत
stuff.
से लोगों के लिए ये
Mhm.
प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी when you're on the pot. What will you do?
Mhm.
You're there for 10 minutes. That was
हाँ,
your
10 मिनट
death
तुम
match.
भाई
Death
TDM
match
खेल
game.
लेते हैं.
Oh
But
my
I
god!
think-
For a
I
second,
think-
when he paused, I was like, "What is he going to say?"
Oh,
But the
my
thing is,
TDM.
I don't think government has given a thought to it, and then after that they are making such decisions because it's a huge decision by them as well.
Yeah,
So
they
there
have
has to
taken a
be
lot
some
of thought.
reason that they have done it.
Yep.
और
We as people have to comply with it and move ahead, right? But
एंड
yeah,
मोदी जी ने बोला था कि there's a potential growth in games.
Yeah, but
yeah.
primarily this came
कौन सा
from
game
the
थोड़ी बोला
PUBG,
था?
right? Now
Is
what?
मोदी जी talking about वो MPL and all?
No, he's talking about Valorant.
MPL is
Valorant.
Valorant. वो
Talking
जिससे
about Valorant.
एक को गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिलेगा.
Valorant server, Roboco, like no radio.
Reddit 2-3 जाएगा मैं.
Guys,
So,
Immortal
like,
पे सबको
over-
government job
And
confirmed.
what about these professional players?
It's all on pause, right? So we don't know if
Yeah,
it's
it's all on
permanent.
We don't know what's
See,
gonna.
No,
it's
See.
a temp. Right now, I see it as a temp ban. Abhi,
temporary.
okay.
Yeah.
Obviously,
Abhi-
they can't hold as permanent.
Abhi, it's issued. Now
It's like a
there'll
lockdown
be
right now.
waves
Yeah, it
where
is a
they'll
lockdown.
keep on, like, yeah, they'll keep on closing it slow by slow by like blocking the app. Then the PUBG will block from their end. They'll block for a region,
Hmm.
and then many esports companies will start doing their thing as
I
well.
think like professional teams who are making a lot of money and who are on the top tier of Southeast Asian region, they will try to host their boot camp in some
Abroad.
other country. Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
that
that,
is
like,
a feasible way.
because like if you are a team like Orange Rock who has done such wonderfully in international tournaments, they'll be
I'm,
like, भाई मैं दूसरे country में जाता
Yeah,
हूँ
for
उधर से
sure.
करूँगा.
Because
and
this big money.
also I'm so happy to see supporters from all around the globe. वो आज मॉर्टल की चैट में people were spamming come to Nepal, यहाँ से stream कर लेना.
Hmm.
So
हाँ,
much
So
love.
it's a
नहीं,
loophole,
सही
I
है.
mean, you
loophole, yeah.
can.
You can.
They
You
have
can,
banned
technically
the
you
app
can.
in India. They have banned the
India.
app in India,
So
but
you
they have
cannot
not banned
ban
Indians
it
from
on-
the app.
Yeah.
200
can-
IQ right there.
Wow.
Dude, considering the amount that they all make, even they can move to there's another Sri Lanka, man. It's like half, dude. It's like easy living. You can live on
तो
the beach.
हाँ
in
तो
mansion.
ये Exion के घर के पास ही तो है रात
हाँ,
को स्ट्रीम के लिए श्रीलंका
Exion,
वापस
if PC gets banned, then Exion will swim to Sri Lanka from his house.
I'll be gone. I'm like,
मैं
bye.
चला बाय.
robot में चला.
PC,
कल मिलते
robot, like, हाँ, चल, let's send it.